तुम किसको डरा रहे हो? I just want to address directly to Donald Trump, and I will not take more time. I just want to tell him that you asking us to do more. I am demanding from you as a member of Parliament of Islamic Republic of Pakistan that you must do more. Because of your fight, we have suffered a lot. On that fateful day of September the 11th, 2001, few thousand of people of yours, of Americans, they got killed, of which we are equally sorry. But no Pakistani was involved in that. Why have we suffered so much? You asked us to help you. We helped you. You asked us to fight against terror. We stood as an ally on equal footings. But we have lost 70,000 of precious lives of Pakistan, which includes our armed forces, our paramilitary, civilians, school kids. So Mr. Donald Trump, if you demand from us to do more, I demand from you to do more to stop supporting the terrorist #1 of the world, Israel and India. Have you seen on earth? Have you seen on earth a tragedy bigger than what happened in Army Public School? Mr. Donald Trump, hundreds of our kids, school-going kids and their teachers, they got burned and beheaded. And who did that? You're lucky. The guy who kills Muslims and non-Hindus in India in thousands of number. The same Narendra Modi, his intelligence agencies role, and their supporter like NDS, they planned all that attack against Pakistan from the Afghanistani soil, where you have given sanctuary to those terrorists who are fighting against Pakistan and spreading violence in our cities and our homes, in school, madrasas, markets, any place, nowhere we are safe. And that is only because of you, Mr. Donald Trump, that you are supporting those people who are terrorizing, who are spreading violence. They are killing Kashmiris. They are beheading Kashmiris. They are raping and maiming the Kashmiris. They are blindfolding them. They are blinding them through pellet guns. So Mr. Donald Trump, open your eyes and see who is the real terrorist in this world. And if you are supporting the terrorists in India, Donald Trump, I want to demand you that a person who supports a terrorist, for me, he is also a terrorist.